In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master email marketing for beginners with HubSpot CRM. If you're just diving into the world of email marketing or looking to leverage HubSpot's powerful tools, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this step-by-step process to get you set up and running smoothly. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. This is where our journey begins. Open up your web browser and head over to the HubSpot Trial Guide. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Getting comfortable with the layout will make your experience much more intuitive as you progress. Now, look for the Marketing section within the trial guide. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you'll find all the marketing functions HubSpot has to offer. And remember, the Marketing section is your main hub for everything related to promoting your business through HubSpot, so it's a good idea to acquaint yourself with this page thoroughly. Moving on, the next step is to click on Email. This tab is crucial because it's where you'll create, design, and manage all your email campaigns. Getting to know this part of HubSpot will help you build efficient, targeted emails that can reach your audience effectively. Once you're inside the email section, you'll see an option labeled Manage. Click on it. The Manage option lets you oversee all your email campaigns. From here, you can check campaign settings, view your drafts, and even organize your planned emails seamlessly. Organization is key when handling email marketing, so make good use of this feature to keep things on track. After you've familiarized yourself with that, it's time to dive into the Analyze section. Click on Analyze to see a close-up of how your emails are performing. Understanding these analytics is vital for adjusting strategies and increasing engagement rates with your audience. It's all about learning what works and what's not quite hitting the mark. Next, you'll want to visit the Health section by clicking on it. The health of your email operations is crucial. It provides you with insights into the deliverability and engagement of your campaigns. Keeping tabs on this health check will ensure your emails not only reach your audience, but are opened and read as well. Finally, let's circle back to Create an Email. Locate the Create Email button and click on it. This will guide you through HubSpot's email creation process, which allows you to craft professional-looking emails with ease. Experiment with different templates and styles to find what resonates best with your brand and audience. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on mastering email marketing for beginners with HubSpot CRM. Take your time to explore these features and remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to crafting emails that truly connect. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.